I'm Gordon Wilson, I'm Construction Director at VHE Construction. We've been remediating sites all over the UK for over 30 years. This is one of the biggest sites that we've currently got on the go at the moment. We've also done various sites within Glasgow over the past few years. So my involvement here is to come and make sure that the works are being executed properly. VHE are the contractor involved in contract 1. It's a design and build contract. Our designer, White Young Green, has come up with a design for the remediation which we're undertaking under a CPR mobile plant licence. On here there will be almost in excess of 1 million cube of material that will have to be managed. Each piece of material has got a specific location where it needs to go. That's been undertaken by a pre-classification exercise. So we've got a massive exercise on here to manage that material, make sure it goes in the right location. Some of the material will go for treatment, which was the stabilisation. Some of it will be screened, some will be crushed, some will be designated to be buried at depths, and some material will be reused closer to the surface. So each material is tracked from where it's dug from, and then it will be placed in a location that we keep a record of where it's gone ultimately. Stabilisation is undertaken by adding additives into the soil, and we mix it vigorously with one of the specialist pieces of equipment that VHE own. That material is then recompacted back into the ground, and once the additives allow the materials to set then and encapsulate the contamination, then it's good to be reused. There's various contaminants on Sighthill from the previous industrial processes. There's heavy metal contamination and hydrocarbon contamination. What we've done here is we've got two types of remediation. One involves taking material out of the ground and taking it to a specific processing area, where the treatment will be by encapsulation, which is putting additives into it to mobilise the contamination and contain it within the material that will then be put back into the site. And the other type is that we've got nearly 700,000 cube of waste in the central part of the site, which we're going to have to leave where it is, but we will be containing that within a slurry wall around the outside, which will key into the strata below, and then we'll be putting a cap on the top. And the main purpose of that is to stop water getting into that and then allowing contamination to leach back out.